This home is big, and you can tell when you first see it. At first, when you first come in, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of feels like a little tight. It might be its only real negative. In this little space alone, you have all this going on. You got a half bath for your guest, you got a linen, you got this good sized bedroom, you got a very nice walk-in closet, and you got its own little full bath. In this bathroom, what I like they did is they did a walk-in shower. It was seriously level ground, so anybody that's a little older or anything like that, that's you have a guest over, your mom, your dad, you don't have to worry about them having to hike their leg up over those tall tubs or any of that. It's got a flex room for the office. You got the HVAC system inside, and here's a really cool feature. You don't see this all the time, but they're around. You got the laundry room here, but then you have a door going into the owner's suite's walk-in closet. So you got straight access, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Bed 3 over here, great walk-in closet, good size, and it has its full bath too. Kind of your normal 3-car, but it does have a little bit of extra space back in this corner. Very nice, which allows the water heater to kind of get out of the way, so you ain't bumping into that bad boy. So this kitchen it seemed like endless kind of cabinets going on this wall. A very nice sized pantry, more cabinets and whatnot, a large island. You could definitely fit, your average kind of dining room table, a large living room, gathering room, very nice covered lanai. Because it is off to one side like this, be mindful of what the neighbors have going on that side, just FYI. You have the owner's suite over here. Oh, look at this ridiculousness. I mean, that's like a quarter of the house, it seems like. You got this large closet. You have this large bedroom, a linen closet. I mean, there's like endless amounts of space in here. And you have another closet. And then you have the dual vanity. Truly spacious. If you got a lot of stuff, you need a lot of room, it's hard to beat that one.